And next up is Zembula. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Robert, co-founder and CEO of Zembula, and this is Carl, our CTO and co-founder. Zembula is a SaaS platform for the creation and management of rich interactive content. So we solve the everyday digital marketer's problem. And the problem they have is they're always needing new content to engage their audience. But they don't have the $150,000 plus to do expensive one-off experiences. They're also always being inundated by optimization tools. Everybody's being sold these optimization tools. They get incremental improvements and aren't really that innovative. And what we provide is an innovative solution. So what's next? What's next is reveal experiences. This is the natural evolution in marketing content. It's a rich interactive experience that takes advantage of the paradigm shift from touch to touch devices since 2007. So now people physically interact with their computers. If we look back 40 years, there's 40 plus years of proof cases in direct marketing of using scratch cards and using pull tabs in mailing campaigns. And we're translating this to the digital world. People are also inherently curious and love discovery. So Zembula is the platform for the everyday digital marketer to create these reveal experiences. All they need is copywriting and design. They don't need an agency, they don't need a specialist, they don't need a developer or any extra time. So let's take a look at a few of these experiences. The first one is scratching. So you can scratch off the area and you can reveal the promotion, and then a button pops up. We're averaging 22 seconds spent interacting with this experience. Let's take a look at the next experience. Because of this paradigm shift, people are now happy to use the same experience on a desktop or laptop, which is something that you wouldn't see 4 or 5 years ago. The final one I'm going to show you is Peel It. Again, button pops up, reveals the deal. And what's really special about the psychology behind these reveal experiences is the endowment effect, where if you put a jacket on when you go into a retail store and try it on, you're much more likely to buy that jacket. The same applies to these reveal experiences digitally. If you interact to reveal the promotion, you're much more likely to take ownership in the promotion you receive. And you can see that in the data. So we see a 7x improvement in the amount of time spent interacting, from 3 seconds to 22 seconds in email, and a 7x improvement in click-through rate. So you'll go from 2 out of 100 in a typical marketing campaign to 14 out of 100 people clicking through. We already have customers. Staples uses us in SMS, AutoNation uses us in email, Asda uses us in both email and Facebook. And the reason these customers are using us is because we're an easy solution for their everyday marketing team. They have the budget to be able to build these expensive campaigns, but now their daily marketer has access. So let's take a look at the platform. It's a WYSIWYG editor, so they can easily, with just text and images, create these experiences. They can then distribute them through multiple channels. Right now it's email, Facebook, and SMS, but we'll be expanding that over the next few years. And then they get actionable analytics. So down to the user level, they can build out segments based on how they interacted with these experiences. We're growing very quickly. We're averaging 20% month-over-month growth. Our average contract value is $26,000, and these are all land and expand opportunities where we're entering through a single channel like email. Right now, we're launching the Zembula brand on stage. Next quarter, we'll be launching the second version of our platform. So what we're really building is this rich interactive content roadmap, where right now it's very uncommon to see this type of content, but over the next 5 years, you're going to see this everywhere. There are 5 key parts to what we're building out. We're going to get to 300 plus experiences over the next 5 years. We're going to be omni-channel, so it'll be email, Facebook, SMS, mobile, all kinds of channels. We're going to be integrating with all the resellers out there. All these marketing platforms can deep link into us. And personalization and machine learning. So over time, we'll be able to understand which experience is most relevant to an individual user and be able to deliver them that experience. And finally, all marketing teams will be able to collaborate and use this platform. Thank you. We're Zembula, unlocking the power of rich marketing interactive content for every marketer in the world. Thank you.
Okay, 4 minutes on the clock for Q&A. Go.
So what are your plans after this? Customers, I don't know if you ever remember Sock the Monkey. I was really into Sock the Monkey. But customers become tired and fatigued of these sort of things. So what's next? Like, what's on the roadmap?
So it's really about this reveal psychology and the number of experiences we can generate. The psychology is what drives it. Like, hitting a monkey is maybe fun, but it doesn't have a lot of psychology behind it. We have endowment effect, we have the discovery aspect, so it's really the creativity of our developers in creating new, novel experiences.
First of all, congratulations on all the early traction. I mean, that's incredible to get up there. I think you're showing 1.4 ARR, you're showing real strong growth. That's awesome. I'm curious, what's the action for the consumer after they scratch away something or after they peel back something? Where are they directed then?
So we have a button that pops up that the marketing team can decide where that link goes. So it's really built as kind of a template that's very flexible that then allows them to link to wherever the next destination is.
Okay. And what about defensibility? Like, what prevents someone else from...
What we found is that there's a lot of pieces that go into delivering this experience for the brand to make it easy for them to deliver to their customer. So what you saw in our roadmap with the different channel integrations, doing the machine learning piece, it's kind of a combination of all those parts of the business that is the defensibility.
That's great. It's beautiful too, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay.
Do you deliver the content as well as create it? Like, are you sending the emails and the push messages?
No, so we integrate with the channel. That's a great question. So we're integrating with the email service provider or the SMS provider. We do post to Facebook for them, but we would definitely integrate with other services.
Do you get pushback from customers that they pay you for the content and they pay someone else to deliver it?
We haven't had really any pushback, and it's because just getting access to new content variety, you think about it, if you're a marketer, you're starved of the opportunity to do anything but text and images.
Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well done. Let's hear it for Zembula. Next up is Clipisodes. Wow, I got some fans. People like the revenue. Okay.